Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam Maraki. In today's video we'll do a haul plus review of products from many different categories. I bought them recently and I really like them, so I had to show them to you guys, and they're on huge discounts. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
The first product is this. It is a brush set that comes in a really nice packaging. It is very travel friendly and I love the quality of the product. This is like a faux leather kind of box. It opens like this. All the brushes have come individually wrapped, and the cover, the box itself is such great quality. These kind of storage boxes for brushes itself cost a lot. It has a pure leather kind of material, and the brush qualities, guys, it's really good. I have not tried this yet, but I have used so many different kind of brushes, from expensive high-end brushes to very low cheap kind of brushes from Club Factory and Miniso and stuff like that. So I know the quality that does good work, and this is definitely one of them. It will blend your makeup really well, apply it really well, and brush is actually very important when it comes to having a flawless makeup on your face. So I am very happy with this. It has a complete set here for your face, for your eyes, like everything you need, a beginner's kit, or if you're someone like me, you always need more brushes. Everything is there here. And there is something that is very essential, which is usually not included in many brush sets. That is a spoolie right here. I really need this for my eyebrows and even to kind of separate my lashes after I apply mascara. So this is again a nice addition to the set. Now it's very easy to keep on your desk if you're traveling. It will not get mixed up with the makeup because it has a closure like this, very easy. Sleek and good quality packaging. Quality of the brushes is great, and the best part, it is on huge discount. This costs around 1000 rupees, but I got it for just 499, including the packaging and everything, with free shipping. So I think it's a great deal. If you're someone who is new into makeup, you want a kit like this is definitely a must-have. And even if you're looking for a travel kit, this is a really good travel kit. I actually got it for the purpose of traveling, because this box itself costs almost that much if you go for any online store. So very happy with this. Now moving on, I have an eyeshadow quad from Wet n Wild. So this is how it looks. It has 4 eyeshadows that can go from day look to night look. It's very sleek. As you can see, it's really tiny in size and it's very affordable too. It's just for 299 rupees. And Wet n Wild is a good brand. I have used their eyeshadows before. I know the quality is good. The shade I got is Hooked on Vinyl, and they have different shade options too, but this one I really like because I usually use a brown like this for my daily wear day kind of look, and this dark shade I can use to smoke out for my night look. And they have transition shade, brow bone shade, everything in this very tiny quad. It's affordable, good quality, and very travel friendly. That's why I got this. And if you're looking for a neutral palette, tiny neutral palette for your trips, this is the one you could go for. Now moving on, I have a face wash from Mamaearth. You must have already heard about this brand, or at least used some of their products. This is the Refresh face wash for deep cleansing and oil control, charcoal and walnut variant. This does not have any SLS or paraben. It is a 100 ml size and cost is 349 rupees. Even this is on discount. I got it for around 300 rupees, and the ingredient list looks really promising. Again, I have used so many Mamaearth products before and I have never been disappointed. I really like them, and that is why I picked this one. I wanted a face wash, and I really like deep cleansing charcoal kind of face washes for my night routine. You might have seen it in my night skincare routine earlier also. I usually go for a gentle face wash in the morning and a really deep cleansing charcoal variant for the night skincare routine, and that's why I chose this. Guys, I'll be leaving all the links to these products to purchase if you're interested in the description box below. So any of these products, if you want to buy them, you can go to the link in the description and get it for the discounted price. Now the final product in the makeup and skincare category is this one. It's by Kids Beauty. This is the Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold variant of highlighter palette. It says Ultra Professional Highlight Glow Palette, 8 color highlight and shimmer powder. It is a 18-gram size and it has all of these colors. Let me open it up. So this is how the packaging is, basic and nice black and gold packaging. And this is how the shades look like. I really like the combination of shades available here. Of course, it's a great highlighter palette. You have all the different highlight shades, but what I love the most is that you can use these shades for multiple purposes. You can use them for eyeshadows, you can use them for blusher, and even for contour for some fair skin tones. They have a white, yellow, bronze, pink, mauve, peach, so many different shades. I really love the palette, and I didn't have anything like a highlighter palette before, and I didn't feel the need of it, to be honest. But when I saw it for such an affordable price, like, I had to get my hands on it. So this one, guys, you won't believe, is for just 432 rupees with free shipping. Getting a palette like this kind of gives a professional MUA vibe to me, so that's why I got this. But if you're someone who is really interested into makeup and you like to play with your makeup, then this is something you can get your hands on. I don't suggest getting high-end highlighter palettes, but this is pretty affordable, so you can get one for yourself too. So that was all that I got in today's haul. If any of you like any of these products and are interested in getting them, then all the links are below this video, so make sure to check it out, click on them, and you can directly purchase the product. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.